everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your username in Shopee. Changing your username in Shopee is simple, but keep in mind that you can only do it once. First of all, open up your Shopee app or open up a web browser and then type in shopee.com in the URL box. Also, log into your Shopee account if necessary by entering your login credentials. After you're signed into your Shopee account, go ahead and mouse over to your profile icon at the top right and click on My Account. Now this will open up the My Accounts tab where you need to go ahead and find the profile option. It'll open automatically after you tap on My Account. And once inside this My Profile section, go to the Username tab and then erase your current one. Type in a new username you'd like to change to for your account. After typing down a username, click on Save at the bottom. Click on OK to confirm, and that's how you will be able to change your username on Shopee. And there you have it. Your username is updated and ready to go. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Shopee tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Till then.